Alexa, pause. What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am having an amazing day because I have literally injured myself, cut myself like so many times today. One of them is on my leg. I used like tape and all that to kind of tape it together. Like there's like 2 on my finger, so it's fine. But what I'm doing today is that I am making the rear diffuser for the car. So far, I'll kind of show you guys what I've done. Okay, I'm gonna go on. I'm making some support brackets for the main part. So I'm gonna come under here now. And boom. Oh, I don't think you guys can see, but those are the support brackets that I made. If they're not, this is 20 gauge steel. If it's not strong enough, and I know this is not strong enough, I'm gonna change it to a thicker steel. But so this is 20 gauge steel, and then what I'm making the main piece out of is 16 gauge. So I can always change that at any point in time. So far, it's not been very hard to make, but I'm going to use that to support it to the frame. There's like a screw that's kind of like there, and so it's also tied kind of like to the gas tank, but it's with a different bolt or different nut. And then I'm going to extend stuff. Just see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna, yeah. Boom. After like an hour, no, after like 3 hours of working, I finally have this fabricated. Yeah, so you guys should take a look at the goodness. Whew. It looks really cool, but I think it's too big for the rear. It kind of looks weird, but we're still gonna finish it up. What in the world? Yeah, so I made these guys, welded it to these dudes, welded it to the main under panel thingy, and so yeah, very simple design. Oh, come on! Oh my god. Hey Alexa, pause. Whew. I have finally done it. Oh my gosh. I don't know how it looks, but yeah, to me it looks great. So look at it from this angle. Oh, I can't even see what I'm filming, but I know I'm filming something related to the spoiler. But oh, it looks so good. Okay. Whew. I like the rods a lot. I saw that with another Datsun build and I was like, ooh, I'm probably just gonna rip that off. So yeah, it doesn't look half bad. And you can see I made the curves with, where's my little thingy, grinder thing. So rotary tool, made the curves, all the curves, and then made this flat part. I wanted to stop just that here, but I decided to continue. I don't know, just because like the splitter is not there right now, but whenever it's there, it makes a line, and it's like, I don't know, this also has the line, so I wanted it to continue all the way to the back. Yeah, so I don't know if I should put some end pieces here, but yeah, that's the thing about fabrication. You could always go back and add more stuff, but I didn't want to make it too much. But yeah, to me it looks great. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited with how this is coming. Just seeing the progress every time I work on it, it's just very encouraging. There's a lot of parts that are like discouraging, but for the most part, it's not bad at all, and I'm excited to continue working on it. Now I'm gonna begin. I feel like this rear diffuser took so long to construct. I just feel like it took so long, and at some point I was honestly very discouraged, and I was like, oh, should I even continue this thing? But I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing it. It still has some finishing touches that I need to do, like for example, at that lower part there, you guys, let me zoom in. I made that mark just because I want to, like, wherever this piece leads, I want to stop there, and then I want to chop there off so it can make one fluid line. So, oh my gosh, so far so good. So I'm about to start the rear bumper, or the rear valence, I think that's what it's called. I'm probably gonna do some welding just to make the shape that I want it to make, and so before putting the rear valence on, I'm also gonna use rivets for that one. So yeah, I've never used a rivet gun before, so another new skill that I'm learning and I'm gonna learn. Ooh, that's a cool car. But yeah. But remember how I was talking about the bumpers, of how these support? So I pushed them in before, but I brought them back out because I still want to make a bumper support. First of all, this thing can't come out. I don't know why it can't come out, but something is stuck in there. So I'm just gonna chop this whole part off and then weld a piece of steel tube, or actually 2 pieces of steel tube, to the back of this guy, kind of like that ish. So yeah,